You're not lazy, your brain's just overstimulated. Here's how to take back control. Let me be real with you. You're not lazy. You're not broken. And no, there's nothing wrong with you. But if you've been waking up every day feeling like your brain just refuses to cooperate, hitting snooze 12 times, scrolling endlessly, avoiding that one email, or putting off that one task you know you need to do, this video is for you. Because what you're feeling right now, it's not laziness. It's overstimulation. And today, I'm going to explain how you ended up stuck in this loop, and most importantly, how you get out. Let's paint the picture. Last night, you felt motivated, right? You said, tomorrow's gonna be different. You even set like 5 alarms. You were ready. But when the morning hits, suddenly, your bed becomes a black hole. And getting up? It feels harder than trying to pronounce Worcestershire sauce before coffee. Your screen lights up. That blinking cursor stares at you. Your to-do list feels like it's silently mocking you. And even though you know what needs to be done, you just can't. So, you jump from tab to tab. Scroll through TikTok. Refresh YouTube again, hoping for a new video to appear out of thin air and distract you just enough to forget how stuck you feel. But mate, this isn't one of those fast-paced, dopamine junkie videos. It's just me, my notebook, a pen, and a few things I've learnt the hard way. Because yeah, I've been there too. And trust me, you're not the only one. So, take a deep breath. Put the phone down. This might just be the most important 15 minutes you give yourself all week. The truth about dopamine, it's not just about pleasure. Here's where things get real. Everyone on the internet screaming dopamine detox like it's a magic fix. But dopamine isn't just about pleasure. It's about motivation. Let me explain. There was this fascinating study, true story, where scientists looked at a monkey whose dopamine system had been chemically shut down. They placed him next to a lever that, when pulled, gave him food or a direct hit of cocaine. Now listen, even though that monkey knew the reward was there and liked it, he wouldn't move an inch to get it. Why? Because without dopamine, he had no motivation to even try. That's what dopamine really does. It doesn't just reward you. It drives you to go after things. It's what pushed our ancestors to hunt, to find shelter, to survive. And now? It's what makes us binge reels and refresh Instagram instead. Your brain's reward system is being hijacked. We live in the most overstimulated era in human history. Like seriously, we are constantly being bombarded. Fast food, fast content, fast everything. And that constant flood of instant rewards? It wrecks our ability to enjoy, or even attempt, anything slow, hard or meaningful. Here's the scary bit. When you overuse your dopamine system, your brain starts needing more just to feel the same. That's called dopamine downregulation. That's why writing an email, or reading 5 pages, suddenly feels like running a marathon. Because your brain's comparing that slow drip of effort to the instant high of your phone. Pleasure and pain are on the same scale. Here's something that changed how I saw everything. Your brain processes pleasure and pain in the same area. And they work like a seesaw. Every time you feel a spike of pleasure, let's say from chocolate or a meme or a TikTok video, your brain naturally pushes back with a little bit of pain to balance things out. It's meant to keep you grounded. But in an overstimulated world, that balance gets wrecked. Your brain starts overcorrecting, flooding you with feelings of low energy, guilt, or even sadness after something that felt good just minutes ago. So, when you stop scrolling, or when you try to sit still and focus, your brain's already tilted toward pain, and your natural instinct is to chase another quick hit of dopamine to balance it out again. And the cycle goes on. So how do we break the cycle? I'm not here to sell you magic. But I am here to give you something real. A roadmap that actually works. And it starts with this. You have to stop chasing pleasure, and start earning it. And I know that sounds weird. But hear me out. The only way to reset your dopamine balance is to let the scale tip toward pain first. Healthy, purposeful pain. Like going for a walk. Writing something meaningful. Doing that hard thing you've been putting off. Because here's the beautiful truth. When you choose a bit of discomfort now, your brain rewards you afterwards. That's called delayed gratification. It's not instant, but it's real. And it lasts longer. If you feel like you're wasting time, if you wake up tired, distracted, and it feels like your mind no longer obeys you, then you're being defeated from the inside. But there is a way. A manual of inner warfare, made for men who are tired of being weak, hooked on dopamine, and trapped in meaningless routines. It's 21 days of challenges that don't promise comfort. But they do promise the construction of a cold, focused, and unstoppable mind. Click the pinned link in the description or first comment and get an exclusive discount for the first 30 buyers. I believe so strongly in the power of this routine, built on the teachings of Machiavelli and Napoleon Hill, that I'm giving you a 7-day guarantee. If you don't feel your mind shifting in the first few days, you get your money back. Prove, to yourself, that there's still a warrior inside you. The power of routine, 21 days to forge a disciplined masculine mindset. Start today. Or keep postponing your best version, until there's no time left to change. The 3 keys to rebalancing your brain. Alright. Time to get practical. There are 3 parts of your life you need to focus on. 1. Your mind, what you feed it. Right now, your brain is a sponge. And what it soaks up every day, that's on you. If you don't choose what to consume, the algorithm will choose for you. So stop scrolling aimlessly. Instead, start feeding your mind with stuff that actually lights you up. Curious about training or fitness? Follow smart people in that space. Into neuroscience? Dive into short videos or articles that teach, not just entertain. Found a book that sparks interest? Read a few pages a day, not to finish, but to learn. Make your consumption intentional, not passive. Because when your attention has a purpose, it becomes nourishment, not just noise. 2. Your body, move it, every day. No, I'm not telling you to become a gym rat. But your body needs movement. Walk, stretch, swim, dance, box, skate, whatever. It's not about burning fat, it's about firing up your brain. Exercise is one of the fastest ways to reset your dopamine system. Because the pain comes first, and the pleasure comes after. That natural high you feel after a workout? That's real. And over time, it helps train your brain to crave effort again. 3. The power of yet. Change your mindset. This one's big. A few years ago, I read this book called Mindset by Carol Dweck. And she shared a simple idea that rocked my world. She studied how kids react to failure. Some kids, when they struggled with a task, felt like they were stupid. They gave up. They froze. But other kids? They enjoyed the challenge. Why? Because they weren't thinking, I can't do this. They were thinking, I can't do this, yet. That one word, yet, makes all the difference. It's the mindset of growth. Where everything, intelligence, skill, focus, can be developed with time. So from now on, whenever you feel stuck, try this. I'm not disciplined, yet. I'm not productive, yet. I can't focus for more than 10 minutes, yet. The more you shift your language, the more you shift your identity. And when that changes, so does your life. One final thing, that no one tells you. You're not broken because you struggle to focus. You're not weak because you haven't figured it out. You're just a human being, living in a world designed to hijack your brain. But now, you've seen it. You understand it. And you've taken the first step to reclaiming control. Don't expect overnight miracles. But do expect change, slow, steady, and permanent, if you stick to this. Choose what you consume. Move your body, even a little. Embrace the power of yet. And when you fall off, because you will, don't beat yourself up. Just get back on. One good decision at a time. A personal note. If this message hit home for you, I've got something special. I've put together a 21-day guide filled with exercises to help you break free from procrastination, build focus, and finally take control of your habits. It's practical. It's based on science. And it's helped me, and now, it might just help you. Click the link in the description or the first comment to get started. The discount is only for the first 30 people, so don't sleep on it. Let's make this the beginning of your new story.